Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the DAVERAGE function in Microsoft Excel. DAVERAGE function in Excel is used for calculating the average of numbers based on one or more condition. In this data, I have the details of sales representatives, item names, and the quantity sold. The sales reps and item names are repeating multiple times. Requirement is to calculate the average sales quantity for the sales rep selected from this drop-down list and the item selected from this drop-down list. In this case, DAVERAGE function can be used. Click on this cell, press equals, then put the DAVERAGE function. In Database, put the table name, which is sales_data. Open square bracket, then double-click on this All option, then close square bracket. In the field parameter, put the column number from which the average should be calculated, which is column number 3. Alternatively, you can put the column header name as well, which is sales quantity. In Criteria, select the criteria range, which is given here in E3 to F4 range. Close the formula and hit Enter. This is the average sales quantity for selected product and sales rep. If you change the criteria, the average will auto-update. So that was all about using the DAVERAGE function in Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching.